us a lot, especially in the speed and the timeliness of the data that was gathered in order for us to formulate first the data that was presented to the national office, and also that data for rehabilitation. The importance of that is while we were not badly hit in terms of the typhoon, we were one of the first LGUs to submit damage data to the national office, and it helped also in the timely disbursement of the national office of the ayuda, or the help that was given to each of those whose houses were damaged. So very, very helpful indeed.